Hey, what's up guys? Got a Sceptre Smart TV. This is the Android TV version. I'm going to show you how to set it up step by step. So first thing is you want to go ahead and choose your language. I'm going to go with English here. And I am in the United States. You can quickly set up this TV with your Android phone in regards to the Wi-Fi network and Google account if you have an Android phone. But I'm just going to start fresh right here. Just go with skip now. Then I'm going to go ahead and select my home Wi-Fi network. That's my network name right there. Let me go ahead and put in my password. After you put in your Wi-Fi password, you want to go over here to enter. There, click on OK on the remote. Okay, I'm successfully connected to the internet now. Here you can go ahead and sign in into your Google account or Gmail account. You need to sign in if you want to download additional apps and whatnot, okay? But I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to skip this. You can always do it later as well. Terms of service, you can go ahead and read through this, but you have to accept to continue. This is a preference. You can let Google use your device's location to improve your experience. That's up to you. I used to go no, but now I always go yes, especially when I'm using like a voice assistant and whatnot, asking for weather. It says here, help improve Android. You can have crash reports sent to Google and whatnot for improvements. This is a preference. You can go yes or no. It doesn't matter. I'll just go with yes here. They're going to automatically install these apps down here. You can go ahead and uncheck whichever you want. I'm fine with all of them on there. I'll just leave them on there. You can always delete them later as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue from here. And now here's just a quick walkthrough here. You can pretty much go through this yourself. Okay, get Google Apps, talk to Google Assistant, cast your TV, and then select text to speech. I'm just going to go with normal. You can change it to fast or normal, whatnot. Normal's fine with me. Choose your time zone. I'm in the US in Los Angeles, so I am Pacific time. Select your TV mode. Obviously, you don't want to go to retail. You want to go with home. And select home mode. If you plan to use the TV at home, select yes. Okay, it's kind of a weird question, so you want to go with yes right there. This Android TV, Sceptre has a built-in Chromecast. You can go ahead and turn it on or leave it off. I would definitely go with leave it on so you can cast whatever you want directly to the TV. And of course, you can always change that later as well. Tuner mode, so you want to select antenna or cable. Okay, I'm not going to be, the only thing I'm going to be doing is just watching like Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. So, and I don't have cable, I don't have an antenna, so I need to do something here. I'm just going to go with antenna here, and then you can go ahead and scan, or you can skip scan. I'm just going to go ahead and scan. Maybe I'll get like a couple channels, and you can always do this later on as well. At least I have one analog channel so far. And I'm going to go ahead and click on finish. They only gave me, they only found like one analog channel. Press on OK on the remote for finish. Disclaimer, terms of service, privacy and terms. You need to go ahead and read through this, and you have to accept it to proceed. So I'm going to go ahead and accept this. And voila. Guys, we are in business. So pretty simple. So now I'm going to go ahead and sign into my Netflix account. And that's pretty much it for the setup. All right. Good luck, guys.